Yandel was not impressed.
Huh. Who cares? They're just like the rest of these sappy swabs.
Bobby Gord had been sent off to catch his train. Rob stopped at every station 10 minutes early, as all the passengers thanked and praised him.
Oh, Rob, you are chatty. You're a...
At his final stop, Gregory the Big One pulled him up beside him. He seemed tired.
You know, Gregory, I think you should retire from pulling passenger trains. Let a faster engine like me do your work.
Gregory snorted. Wouldn't believe me. I could pull trains faster than you ever could. The two engines argued for some time about who was the fastest. They finally decided to settle their argument once and for all. A race.
You idiot. They'll tear yourself to pieces, I tell you.
Oh, shut up.
The engines were now at the starting point, waiting for the guard to blow his whistle. The two engines raced across the line, moving hard, full speed ahead. They moved and shoved rapidly around the railway. Little did they know, trouble was amidst. A careless signalman had accidentally switched the points to where Rob was racing on. It was all too late when they realized. The staff director was in his office when a porter came up to him.
Excuse me, sir. There's been an accident at Muxworth Station.
Oh, that's not good. I can get into a lot of legal trouble for that. Send in help at once.
After the wreckage was cleared, Rob and Gregory were sent to the works. The engines had cuts and bruises all over. After they were repaired, things were back to normal. Rob was as fast as he once was before. Nowadays, he's much more careful. Gregory is too.
Take care, Rob, old buddy. Don't try any racing.